Hi everyone, my name is Elline and I am the owner of LeMetric and the Lifestyle Beauty Network. You're in my space today in New York City, very close to Grand Central, very close to Times Square, and I'm going to give you a tour so you know what we actually do in here. Follow me. I've been in this hair business 30 years. I have a little experience. We design, we manufacture, and we create miracles for women. Follow me, I'm going to show you our workroom. This is where the magic begins. So I buy raw hair from all over the world, and one of the few people still in the United States that does that. And we decide on length, color that we keep in inventory, and then we use our materials, which are all laces throughout the world that we get. And then we fabricate everything in here. So we blend hair and we create pieces from the smallest to the biggest. And this is an example of how complicated, which is why a lot of people don't do this, blending hair is. Follow me. So this is a hacker. And this is where all the hair is, along with all of this in here by color, texture, length. And we create hair. But it starts off like that. So you can see there's all different colors in here. And these needles are very sharp to give us the look that we want. You know, as time has gone on, it has become very, very evident to me that the more natural a look is, like highlighted hair, low lighted hair, etc., as you can tell with this, these are all different tones, right? That is more natural than just one color hair. Like if you take a look at this and you take a look at this, this has a lot of personality to it. This also has some highlights, but not as much. So when I do a consult, we talk about that and then decide, you know, length, color, etc., etc., etc. So these are some pieces that we're still working on. This is a young girl that's been a client of mine forever and ever and ever. And we have created the low lights and the highlights. This is another one. This gal is coming in from Arizona to have these put in. This is hers. And these are all the pieces that we're working on right now. So how do I determine what a client needs and wants? Are her lifestyle, her budget, whether she wants to wear hair 24/7. I take into account all of that when I'm designing something. Then we come in here and we cut and we style her hair and give her the look that she wants. So what we do back here is we wash the client's hair, we color the piece if it needs it, we color her hair if she needs it, and this is quite a big space for clients and the comfort level of being able to finally walk out of here with the looks that they want. And that is our goal. Make it easier for her. That is a little sneak preview of all the information that you, the client, are going to get from me, Elline, onto how and why you should connect with us on the Lifestyle Beauty Network and LeMetric.